my lovely learners. I am back here with your grammar lesson, and in today's lesson, we are going to work specifically on learning about articles. Now, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn what articles are, the types of articles, and the use of articles. Look at the school picnic. The students of class 4 are busy and excited about their class picnic. The teacher instructed them, "Hello students, it's picnic time. We shall be going to the zoo. But remember, you will not tease the animals in the zoo." But before going, we must prepare a list of the items you must carry to the zoo. Something to play with, maybe a ball, a water bottle, a fruit, maybe an apple. Don't forget to carry your mat. An umbrella will save you. Suppose it starts raining. And students, I won't allow you inside the school campus if you do not carry your mask and a sanitizer. And of course, a handkerchief. A cap will protect you from the sun. And yes, without an iCard, I won't allow you to board the bus. And I'm sure, apart from all this, you will be carrying delicious food items to the picnic too. Now, students, in the previous list, you must have noticed that I have used the word a, and the before different words. Let me read it out. A mask, a water bottle, a mat, a cap, a sanitizer, a ball, a handkerchief, an umbrella, an apple, an iCard, the zoo, the animals. Now, these little words are called articles. Let us see what are articles. The words a, and the are called articles. Articles are the most commonly used words in the English language. Where do we use them? We use them before nouns. Articles indicate whether a noun is a specific noun or a general noun. Articles, there are three important articles, a, and the. And articles are of two types. The indefinite articles, a and an, and the definite article, the. Indefinite articles, a and an are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular place, person, or thing. For example, a chair, a boy, a book, an elephant, an answer, a shirt, and ice cream. The definite article. The is called the definite article because it refers to a particular person, place, or thing. Examples, the India Gate. We have only one India Gate, very special. The Bible, it is the holy book of the Christians, and we do not have different types of holy books. Now, the Arabian Sea is a special sea. The sun, we have only one sun, so the sun, the Bible. Use of indefinite articles, a or an. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound and also before words that begin with a vowel but produce a consonant sound. Now, what is this consonant sound? For example, let us say a river. River, R is a consonant. Color, a color. C is a consonant. Now here, a 1 rupee coin. Why have you added 1 before it? I think it should be an 1 rupee coin, students, isn't it? No, my dear students. Here, although the word 1 is a vowel word. It begins with a vowel, but the sound of O is a consonant sound, W. So we have added a before it because O here has a consonant sound of W, W. Another example, a unicorn. Again, a before you. A university. A before you. Yes, my dear students, because the U over here has a consonant sound of U, Y-U sound, not the vowel sound of U. The vowel sound of U is as in umbrella. Since unicorn, university, and any U word which begins with a U sound like unity, united, university, uniform, all these are consonant sound words and hence we add a before these words. Let us look at the 26 letters of the alphabet. Don't laugh, students, we are not learning ABCD. Each letter here has its own phonetic sound. For example, let us look at the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. The sound of A can either be A as in aeroplane or A as in apple. These are vowel sounds. The vowel E has 2 sounds. The vowel E has either A sound as in engine or E sound as in equal. Vowel I has 2 sounds. Both are vowel sounds. I as in ice cream and E as in ink pot. Now the vowel O has 3 sounds. 2 are vowel sounds and the third one is a consonant sound. The vowel sounds of O are O as in open and O as in orange. But the third sound is a consonant sound. It is the sound of W as in one. Similarly, U. U also has 2 sounds. The vowel sound is A. The vowel sound of U is A as in umbrella. And the consonant sound of U is U, year sound, as in university, uniform, unicorn. The other letters of the alphabet are consonants. B has B sound, D has D sound, and so on. You must have learned it in your previous classes. We need to keep these sounds in mind while placing the important articles. An is used before words that begin with a vowel sound and also before words that begin with a silent H. An apple, an engine, an igloo, all are vowel words. An orange, an umpire, and an R. H is silent here, so we hear the vowel sound A. So we have added an before the word R. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. Before O when it sounds as W, the consonant sound of W, and also before U when it sounds like a consonant Y, U, U. I explained that earlier. Examples, a ball, a house, consonant words. A star is a consonant word, but a one-eyed monster, although it begins with O, it has a consonant sound of W. A unicorn begins with vowel U, but it has the consonant sound of U. I'm sure you must have understood the usage of indefinite articles a and an. Now moving over to the usage of definite article the. The is used before a particular person and or a particular place. For example, the boy climbing the mango tree is my brother. Now, the boy is this particular boy who is climbing the mango tree, and the mango tree because that is a specific tree, that is a mango tree, or that is the only tree which we see there. The is used when talking about something that is known to the user. Sometimes many things are known to us even without specifying it. Do you know where the keys are? We know that there are a bundle of keys, a bunch of keys in the house. So we talk about those specific keys. Put on the dress that mom gave you. Now, which dress? That particular dress that mom gave. We also talk about the kitchen, the toilet, the washroom, the bedroom, the drawing room, all these things. Now, the second one, the is also used to refer to a specific time period. For example, this song was popular in the 1990s. In the past, we did not have cell phones. There, we have referred to the specific time periods. The is used before the names of things that are unique or one of a kind. Only one earth exists. So, we say the earth. Now, the is used before the names of rivers like the Yamuna, the Ganga, the Saraswati, mountains like the Aravali, the Nilgiri, oceans like the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, ships like the Titanic, islands like the Nicobar Islands, the Andaman Islands, the Lakshadweep Islands, trains, the Garib Rath, the Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express, directions, the east, the west, the north, the south, monuments, the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal, the Victoria Memorial, etc. Newspapers like the Times of India, the Hindu, well-known books like the Bible, the Quran, magazines like the Time magazine, the Children's World, the Outlook, etc. The is also used before the names of some countries, not all the countries, like the USA, the United States of America, the United Arab Emirates, the UAE, the UK, that is the United Kingdom. We use the with superlatives, you know, the superlatives good, better, best. The best student, the tallest tower, the most beautiful flower, the fastest train. Now, we use the with phrases which indicate position or sequence. I'm sure you must have learnt the ordinal numbers, first, second, third, etc. Especially when in the sports field, the third child, the fifth month, the only season, the last day. Now, students, we also have to keep in mind one very important rule, that is regarding the omission of articles. That means we do not use the with the following unless we have made them specific or particular. The is not used in with the proper nouns such as names of states and countries, like we do not say the Radha, the Paris, the India, the Mount Everest. We also do not use the with plurals and countable nouns, like I had the bread for breakfast. No, I had bread for breakfast. He writes the novels. Not needed. He writes novels. Now, students, we have learned most of the things regarding the use of articles. So, let us recap. We learned that a, and the are the three articles. And and an are called the indefinite articles, whereas the is the definite article. We also learned the different rules regarding the usage of and an and the with different examples and also exceptions.